Bert and Kip. Episode 72. Officer Kip. Mà không đội mũ thế nhỉ? Kip is sad. He wants to be a police officer, but no one listens to him. Don't worry, Kip. You can protect years of police officer. Oh, I don't want to pretend. I'm going home. He thought. Kip started to walk home. He saw a girl on a bike. A girl is driving very fast on a path. Kip almost saw a squirrel. Squirrel is walking across a path. He is carrying a tub of acorns. Oh no, said Kip. Squirrel can see that girl. Kip ran fast. He stumbled in front of squirrel. Kip blew his whistle. Wait, said Kip. The girl on the back zoomed by. Now you can go, said Kip. Thanks, Kip. No problem, said Kip. Good job, Officer Kip. Ai mà không làm